Another quick update on the ute. It's 4 days now since the last one, but yeah, it was a Friday when I recorded the last video, and being Friday night I decided I'm going to have a few, and woke up Saturday definitely not feeling well at all. I was more than a bit green round the gills, and Saturday ended up being a write-off. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday was absolutely stinking hot, and the weather absolutely smashed me. I was just struggling. So it took me 3 days to strip out the old body, get the motor and box and all that out. Like I stripped a lot out of the sedan shell. There's only really the shell, the rear doors and the boot lid left on it, and that's about it. But as you see, motor, K-frame, and that's all bolted in. Still got to torque it all up. Got to replace the shocks, bolt up the sway bar, brake lines, steering column, upper A-arms, and then get it down on wheels so I can move it around. I got a bit of fabrication work to do today for a customer. So yeah, this is most probably going to get pushed out now until most probably end of the week, maybe end of the weekend. So I've got a few other things I've got to get done as well, including taking the old shell to scrap and picking up the other ute. So yeah, I'll most probably not have another update on this until most probably about this time next week. Got a head to do on a bloody Subaru, heap of shit. Motor swap to do on a Ford Econovan, which is going to be fun. It's going to have to come out through the cab instead of underneath because I don't have a hoist and I work out of a driveway. So yeah, I'll leave it at that for now and give you another update when I get a bit more done. Have a good one.